Cutting straight has a lot to do with the blade that you're using. It needs to be thick this way and this way as much as possible. And because I'm cutting on the good side of the board, I actually am using a laminate blade, which has the feet the opposite way, so it cuts on a downward stroke versus the upwards stroke, and it allows me to make the cut smoother. The other important aspect is that you have to almost cut outside of the line, sort of try to be in the middle of the line that you drew. It's probably gonna be incorrect because the thickness of the blade will take out the material, so you're gonna be off by 1/16 if you cut on the line directly. So you have to cut next to the line outside of the work that you're gonna keep. Also, you want to go slowly, as slow as the blade goes, and if the blade is getting hot, you can tell because you can smell burn. Give it a break, let it cool off, and that will make your blade last longer. See you next time.